Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 50% off Microsoft PL-300 certification or DP-900 certification. This is a limited time exam voucher offer for the 2025. The Microsoft Fabric community is offering for a 50% discount voucher on certification PL-300, DP-900, DP-600 and DP-700. It is the part of the FabCon Vinena certification offer for a limited time. Follow the step. Follow the step-by-step guide below the claim this offer. So 50% discount Microsoft certification voucher for exam PL-300, 900, 600 and 700 link is below. So this is the link. So open this link. Okay. So Fabcom Vienna 50% certification offer. So 50% fabric exam discount, 50% discount to the PL-300, 900, 600 and DP 700. This is a limited quantity available. To eligible this limited time offer, you must join the fabric community if they haven't joined. Fill out the form below and complete the PL-300, 900, 600, 700 skill challenge. And there is a term and condition. So open the term and conditions also. So you can go through that. You can only receive one offer per person. So one person, one offer. So eligible for the receive the exam, you must. So you have to complete this all the things and go through the term and conditions. Now move there and click on sign in. Click on sign in. So sign in with your account. So here you can click on the register now, or this is the registration form. So username is there, location is India, and certificates you want to take, select one. So just I'm selecting PL-300. Yeah. So why do you want to certify this specific? So this is related to my domain. Okay. When you plan to take the exam, with the top three study resources you plan to use: Microsoft, Learn, YouTube, and blog. So write anything. Who share this offer with you? Please specify including the social media handling and website you saw. So this is a community fabric Microsoft. Microsoft. So just agree the term and condition, then submit. So your request was submitted successfully. Be sure to complete this all the skill challenge by October 3rd. Voucher will be disbursed and the October 10th, and please wait until the October 13th to email from this is the email from you will get a request from that. Okay, so this is the process. So in this video we have learned how to get 50% off Microsoft PL-300, DP-900 and DP-600 and DP-700 for the voucher for the certification, and this is providing by Fabcon. So this is a limited period offer. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.